Around, let me check my phone. So tinawagan ako ni Senator Jinggoy ng around 1:27 to tell me na he doesn't think Senator Batos in the building. At after lunch, mga 1:27, tinawagan ako ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada to say, SP, wala na si Senator Batos sa Senate. So I checked and asked my Chief of Staff to ask the Sergeant at Arms for a report. So may spot report pala talaga siya. I can read it to you. Saan na yung spot report? And then right before, when I came in, di ba, when I saw you guys, sinabi ko na rin, ay sorry, hindi 1:27, miss call niya pala yon. So, yeah, around, basta around lunchtime na ako tinawagan ni Senator Jinggoy. So, okay. Yeah, it's okay. So what time is your work? Yeah, what, no, not the incident, yung pag-alis ni Bato. Okay. Yun yung dun kasi sa attack kagabi, hindi pa tapos. So there's a report kung anong oras siya umalis. Saan yung incident? Saan yung incident? Just the one time lang umalis. Wala. Okay. So, long story short, kinonfirm ng Sergeant at Arms that he's no longer in the building. I'm waiting for the complete incident report, anong oras umalis.